Hey everyone, welcome back to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today we are going to draw a front view of a camera using LibreCAD. If you love technical design or are learning two-dimension drafting, this video is for you. Make sure to watch until the end, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, for the first, as usually, please activate some snap functions. In LibreCAD, there are free snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and snap to intersection. Okay, for the first, I want to create a rectangle, I think. Okay, select the tool, rectangle, left click. Okay, and the dimension for the rectangle is 105 and 81. Okay, go to the command line form on the right side, type 105. Oops, sorry. Type add 105, comma 81 and press enter. Okay, we go to the rectangle. Right click to exit the tool, and then I want to know this point, the position. So I want to create a rectangle again. The dimension is 40.5. Okay, select rectangle tool and left click and go to command line form and type the dimension at 40.5, comma 40.5 and press enter. Okay, right click to exit the tool, select the rectangle, select move or copy tool, left click at the reference point. Okay, oh sorry, yes, right in the corner. Okay, bring the rectangle to the position like this. Okay, select the original and click OK. Press ESC or escape on your keyboard, and we will create the circle. The diameter for the circle is 43.5. Okay, select circle center point, left click at the point and go to command line form, type the radius for the circle. Because the diameter is 43.5, the radius will be 43.5 divided by 2 and press enter. Okay, we got the circle. Right click to exit the tool, and the next circle we will use parallel line tool. Select parallel tool and type the distance for the parallel. The distance is 1.5. Okay, right click outside the rectangle, outside the circle, and then the next circle. Okay, the next circle, the distance is 4.5. okay, type in the box the distance 4.5. make sure middle point is 1, number 1, and left click outside the rectangle, oh sorry, outside the circle. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Now we will create this part. Okay, I think we need a horizontal line. Select horizontal tool and type the length in the box, maybe 200, and select snap point middle point is 1. Okay, left click to put the horizontal line at the center of our circle. Right click to exit the tool and use parallel line tool, select parallel and type the distance. Okay, we go the distance 3 above the line and 3 below the line. Okay, type the distance 3, left click at the above the line and left click below the line. Okay, right click to exit the tool, and now we will use divide tool. Select divide, left click at the circle, the point, the circle again, the point, the next circle and the point, the next circle and the point. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Now select these unnecessary parts from the circles. Okay, delete, and maybe this line, I want to this line. Okay, the rectangle also we will delete. Okay, to delete this one we will use trim tool. Select trim, left click at the circle and left click at the line we want to trim the line. Right click to exit the tool, the trim tool, and left click to select the circle again. Left click at the line to trim. Okay, right click to exit tool, right click again. Okay, now to draw this part, I think we should use a vertical line to help us to draw. Select vertical and type the length in the box 200. Okay, select snap point middle. Okay, left click at the center of our circle. Yes. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Now we will use a horizontal line to create this part. Okay, select horizontal and type the length in the box 27. Okay, select snap point middle, left click. Okay, at the point. Yes. Right click to exit the tool. Okay, could you see the line? This is the line. Okay, now I think I will create this part. Okay, we will use parallel line tool. Select parallel and type the distance. The distance 4.5. Okay, left click above the line we have created before. Right click to exit the tool. Now okay, create this part. Okay, select again parallel line tool, parallel, and type the distance. The distance is 33. Okay, 33, and left click near this line. Okay, there you go, 33. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, the length for this line is 42, so we need to extend the line. Okay, I think we should use, okay, okay, for 42 negative 27 is 15, so 15 divided by 2, okay, 7.5. okay, now use extend line. Okay, we will use lengthen, yes, to extend the line. Select lengthen and type the length in the box 7.5 and left click at the line we want to extend. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, right click to exit the tool. Now select a vertical line and type this length, 4.5. Select snap point, start, left click at the position, maybe there. Yes. Okay, now select 2 points line, left click and left click, or right click to escape, left click again, or right click to escape. Now right click to exit the tool. I think we should delete this line, we don't need the line. Next, I want to create this part. The distance is 3, so we will use a parallel line again. Type the distance 3, left click near the line. Yes. Now use trim to remove unnecessary lines. Left click, right click to exit the tool, and we will create this part, delete the lines. First select the line, and delete. Now select divide tool, divide, left click, we can, sorry. Right click to exit the tool. Now select the rectangle, we need to explode the rectangle. Select the rectangle and select explode tool, explode. Now we can use divide tool, select divide, left click at the line and the point, the line again and the point, right click to escape. Now we can delete the line. Same with before. Select divide tool, left click at the line, the point, the line and the point, right click. Now select the line. Next, I want to create this style. I think this is a fillet. Use fillet tool, select fillet, and the diameter for the fillet is 7.5. same. 7.5. type in the box 7.5 and make sure you mark the trim box. Left click, left click, left click, very simple. Yes. Left click again. Right click to exit the tool, and now correct this part. The dimension is 22.5 and 9. Select rectangle. Go left click and go to the command line form, type the dimension 22.5, at 22.5 and comma 9 and press enter. Right click. Now select the rectangle and select move or copy tool, left click at the reference point at the corner. And bring the rectangle into this position. I think this is the center of our fillet. Select the original, click OK. Press ESC or escape on your keyboard. Next, I think we should use color to our drawing. Okay, first select the circle and select Head tool and mark solid fill, click OK. Okay, now we can change the color. Select the hatching area and select attributes. Okay, select color. Okay, maybe green. Okay, for this shape, select all the lines and the shape. Okay, we need to join this shape. Select join tool. Okay, create polyline from existing segment. Okay, yes, now we can color it. Select the shape and select Head tool, mark solid fill, click OK. Okay, press AC or escape on your keyboard, select the hatching area and select select attributes, change the color, maybe red. Okay, for this one, okay, same method. Okay, select attributes, blue. Okay, for this one, okay, special for the shape like this, we need to join the shapes. Okay, select all the line and the shapes. Okay, and select join tool, create polyline from existing segment and repeat the action. Okay, attributes, the color maybe blue again. Yes. Okay, for we need to select all the shapes and select join tool, create polyline from existing segment. Okay, select the shape and yes. Okay, select attributes and change the color into maybe yellow. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention, for watching our video from LibreCAD tutorial channel. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.